Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable the notifications again on your taskbar on Windows. So select this area right here. As you can see, I have the Do Not Disturb on. It says you'll only see banners for priority notifications and alarms. So you can just turn it on by pressing this button again, or you can go to notification settings to turn it on. As you can see, I have Do Not Disturb on. I'm just going to select it off. You can also set the priority notifications from apps, not now, but basically we'll turn off like notifications from like YouTube, Discord, etc, etc. But I don't really like having it on, so I'm just going to turn it off again. And that is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that already, if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.